The term mommy makeover comes from a combination of procedures. The idea is to bring back the body of a woman that has gone through 1, 2, 3 pregnancies, and those changes that occur normally during a pregnancy, well, we want to improve on them, no? So mommy makeover, it's not always these 3 procedures, no? Which could be breast augmentation or lift, tummy tuck, lipo. Sometimes vaginal reconstruction as well. So it's going to be very variable for everybody. Their needs are, well, usually very specific, no? So we have to come up with a tailor-made plan to bring back, well, the shape that you used to have, no?